morning, guys. It's Ichido. What's up, you guys? What's going on this morning? What you guys been doing? Refreshing, anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, I'm gonna cook up some breakfast. So I don't know what I'm gonna have. So I'll talk to you guys when I cook up breakfast.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
I got done the egg Mcmuffin with sausage. Yeah, it looks so good, you guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I am just heading to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. Hey guys, so right now I just got done work, so I'm just heading home, going for a walk with Dad when I get back. So I'll talk to you guys when we are going for a walk, when we are done going for a walk. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end today's video, but before I do, it's gonna be amazing. We played some Minecraft when I got home, and I forgot to tell you guys that what we did. So we are making server. It's gonna be fun and exciting. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And that pimple is really big right there. It's huge. Does it hurt? It hurts because it's on the bone, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with the brand new video. Gold.